Good morning, boys and girls. Hopefully the sound works on this one so I don't have to record it again. I did double check. So, we've had sort of a crazy start this morning. We woke up because a picture frame fell off the wall and made a huge crash in our house. Sort of sounded like a movie is what my Kylie said. I hope your day is starting off a little bit better. Like I said when I posted the video, I'd like for you to have a plain piece of paper or somewhere where you can write something. We need to have a quick spelling test, and it's something that has to be done today that I wasn't thinking about when I made the peek at the week. So we're going to just start with number 1 right away. These are words that you should know. And remember, if I'm going too fast, you can always rewind it and listen to it again. I'm going to write the numbers down so that if you have to rewind it, you can kind of see where to go. So here we go. Number 1. And Kylie and Samantha are my daughters. And number 2. Play. Did you get to play outside? Play. Number 3. Red. Red is not my favorite color. Is it yours? Red. Number 4. Is your pencil sharpened? Is. Number 5. Look at this picture. Look. Number 6. 4. I reached for the spoon. 4. Number 7. On. Turn on the light when you get to the room. On. Number 8. Off. Turn off the stove when you're done using it. Off. Number 9. Like. I like frogs. Like. Number 10. Said. She said she's on her way. Said. Now there's actually a number 11 for this one. And for number 11, I want you to write the first letter of each of the words that you just wrote down. Only the first letter from each of the words in order. And then I want you to make sure that I see that word in your picture. And that word will tell you why we took this test today. So now that we're finished with the spelling test, we're going to go into superkids. You can pause it if you need to switch over to your book. We're going to talk about the way that we do some spelling when we're comparing things between each other. So let's look at number 1. Number 1, we have just Oswald by himself. And he says, my scarf is long. L-O-N-G. Long. Just by itself. But now we're comparing two people. So when we're comparing two people, we use 2 letters. E and R. Doc says, my scarf is longer. So we have L-O-N-G-E-R. Longer, because hers is longer than Oswald's. Oswald's is up here. Then we can compare between 3 or even more than 3. Adabetta has come up and she says, my scarf is, we've got E-S-T on the end for 1, 2, 3 things to compare. My scarf is longest. L-O-N-G-E-S-T. My scarf is longest. Let's do number 2 together. Here we go. We have Alf. He is, do you know this word? Q-U, quick. He is quick. Oh, but here comes Sporty Sal. He is what? Q-U-I-C-K. We'll write that again. Now we're comparing 2 people, so we're going to use 2 letters. Quicker. He is quicker. But here comes Golly. Dogs are pretty fast. Here comes Golly. He is, we still use quick. He is quick, but we have 1, 2, 3. Quick. Est. Golly is the quickest of that group. Number 3. Now we have Tick, Tack, and Talk. Tack says where she is. This spot is deep. Remember, the 2 E's are 2 vowels go walking. And the first one does the talking and says his name. So that E says E, deep. Now Tick is in the middle. And we can see that the water is at her waist. It was only at Tack's ankle here. Tick says this spot is, we're going to write deep again. Deep. And I have 2. Deeper. Deeper. 1, 2, because we're comparing this spot to this spot. This spot is deeper. Then, all the way at the end here, we have Talk. And it's almost up to her shoulders. And she's going to say, because we're comparing this spot to this spot to this spot, 3 spots. She's going to say this spot is deep. 3 letters. E-S-T. Deepest. This spot is deepest. Let's go ahead and turn the page. And this time, I'm actually going to have you do this page on your own. I'll read number 1 with you. Cass says, my cake is big. And I guess if I had a whole cake to myself, I would think it's big. Then Sal says, my cake is bigger. E-R. 2 people, 2 things to compare, 2 letters. But here comes Oswald. He says, my cake is biggest. E-S-T. 3 people, 3 letters. Look at the 2 letters here. Oh, I didn't make it where I could mark. Give me just 1 second. Look at the 2 letters here. We've doubled the G's. This is going to go back to when we talk about vowels and if we have to double something. I want you to hold up 2 fingers in the air right now. I want you to say vowel. If my vowel has 2, if there are 2 consonants after my vowel, then I don't have to worry about it. But if there's only 1 consonant after the vowel, that would be 1 G after the vowel of the I, then I need to make it 2 so that my 2 consonants can remind me of a vowel sound, because our vowel dictates what the spelling is. So we definitely have to put 2 G's because we only had the 1 vowel here. So we're adding that G and then the ER. We're adding that G and then EST for the 3. So when you're doing this page, you need to remember 1 vowel here. So we're going to have to double the consonants. 1 vowel here. Oh, I can't write on it. So we'll have to double the consonants. So I want to see what kind of work you can do on this page when you get it turned in to me. I hope you're having a great day, and we will have another video soon. Talk to you later.